You know, the word fall is not something you want to hear often in the roofing industry. And outside of it being a great time to install a new roof, the season itself can also be detrimental to your roofing system. You know, if you live in a wooded area, you can have a lot of debris accumulate on your roof. Leaves, sticks, nuts, they can accumulate in areas that can be very problematic and even detrimental to your roofing system once the winter months come in. The moisture that can accumulate in areas where debris has built up can also cause that water and moisture to freeze and expand, backing up underneath the shingles and certain flashings. That's why it's super important to remove the debris from your roof, especially around skylights and your chimneys or anywhere where debris can accumulate on your roof. How do you remove the debris safely? Well, you can remove it a lot of different ways. Obviously, you can get up there and do it by hand, but you can also use a leaf blower. Leaf blower used in the right direction can actually remove the debris off of your roof safely. You don't want to blow up under the shingles, but obviously if you move in the same direction that water would flow, you're going to remove the debris safely and reduce the issues and risk later on in the winter months. Now that this roof is clear from all the debris, we can now move into the winter months with much more peace of mind. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that we can keep you up to date with more tips and tricks.